Are you an undergraduate in any of Nigeria tertiary institutions, be it public universities, polytechnics, and college of education? I bring you good news because the MTN scholarship is currently ongoing for undergraduate students in Nigeria. So how do you qualify for this? What are the eligibility criteria and what are the things you need to know? Institution of study, you must be a science and technology student. Yes, if you're an art student, sorry, this is not for you. And it's open for tertiary institutions like public universities, polytechnics, and college of education. What are the course of study? Who are those that qualify for this? MTN Science and Technology Scholarship is open to 300 level students studying science and technology related courses in Nigerian public tertiary institutions, that's universities, polytechnics, and college of educations. It's also open for MTN scholarship for blind students to 200 and 300 level blind students studying any course in Nigerian public institutions. So if you know any blind student that is studying any course in university, polytechnic, or college of education, this is open for them. For the level of study, the application is open to students who have completed their second semester 200 level examinations going to 300 level. The CGPA that is required for your own university, if you're in public university and college of education, you have a particular CGPA you will qualify for. And if you're also in polytechnics, you have your own. And for blind students, also have their own CGPA eligibility. So you're actually going to check this out, and please do be in a hurry to apply for this, as you can be one of them. 300 successful students will be awarded this scholarship worth 200,000 annually till they graduate. So this is just an award that will be added to you. Okay, I know if you qualify for this, you'll be so happy. Please run now and qualify and go on and check it. You can go to mtn.ng/scholarship so you can apply now. The deadline is on 18th of June 2023. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to share because someone you know might need this. Please share this video to all the undergraduate platforms that you know. Thank you so much.